Hey everyone, it's Lego UCS here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the UCS Republic gunship. Some of you may know that I got this as I did a haul video. I got a couple of other sets as well, but if you don't know it and didn't see that video, well, you do know it now. So I'm just going to be unboxing it today. I think I'll cut the tape from this side. Yeah, as a bit of it's already cut. So what I'm gonna do is using scissors carefully cut that. Oh, that damaged the box. That is not good at all, especially as this is the rare box with the Imperial insignia. Oh, you can't see that from there, but it's got the Imperial insignia instead of the Republic one. Yeah, it's quite hard to cut with scissors, but yeah, but I've done it. So now, time to open it. So I open it. It has just a lot of bags, and I just realised I think I revealed it from the wrong side, as the white box that you see is all the way at the back. Yeah, so I'll get these bags out. Surprise, even more bags. I have this white box. To be honest, I'm not sure which one comes first if you open the white box. Yeah, actually I think you do open the white box first. So let's open yet another box and try not to damage it this time, although this box doesn't really matter that much. Right, there we go. Can't really see that well, but I have cut the box, and now it reveals even more bags. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do like a review or speed it up build onto just the unboxing. And oh my god, there's more bags in the box. There's more bags. Oh, only one more bag still. Yeah, but basically I'll just show you the box. Just got the gunship, and then over here you have on the side of the box that flappy bit that folds in. You have the picture that was the first reveal of the gunship, but the reveal didn't have any colour, black and white. On the side it says Republic gunship Star Wars with the wrong insignia. That's the Imperial one, like I said earlier. And then you've got, that's it, so the two not very good minifigures. And then you've got something basically saying how big it is. Then you've got some pictures from Attack of the Clones, which is the movie it's based on. Then you've got a comparison just to show how detailed it really is, and really to the movie. Yeah, so I'm gonna count how many bags there are and lay them out, and then I'll come back to you guys. Just laid out all the bags I can fit on this little desk thing. There are 10 bags here, and there are 32 bags in total, so yeah, I'm probably gonna put the other bags in that white box that basically these came in. So yeah, I've got a lot of building to catch up with. Not only this set, but I've got Ahsoka vs Darth Maul, a Lego Ideas set, a Lego Star Wars ATST Raider, and I've got part of a Technic crane to build, as well as the 32 bags of the gunship. So I really need to up my game with building. This is going to be it for this video. Bye, see you in the next one.